हाय दोस्तों, आज इस वीडियो में हम आपको लाइव मॉक टेस्ट करके दिखाने वाले हैं ताकि आपको एग्ज़ाम अटेंड करके एग्ज़ाम क्लियर करने में आसानी हो। दोस्तों एग्ज़ाम आपको 50 क्वेश्चंस का रहेगा और 60 मिनट्स का टाइम रहेगा आपके पास, और मल्टीपल चॉइस का जो आपको एग्ज़ाम रहेगा। दोस्तों चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द ओरिजिन ऑफ मॉडर्न कमर्शियल इंश्योरेंस बिजनेस प्रैक्टिस टुडे कैन बी ट्रेस्ड टू डैश इन लंदन। इसका राइट आंसर है दोस्तों सी, लॉयड्स कॉफ़ी हाउस। Question number 2. The award given by ombudsman should not be more than dash. Should not be more than rupees 20 lakh inclusive of ex gratia payment and other expenses. 20 lakh हम मार्क करते हैं दोस्तों। Question number 3. When a proposal is accepted, it becomes promise. Question number 4. Financial planning includes all the above. Question number 5. Life insurance companies could make direct linkage with the investment gains through the investment in which of the following? Right answer is buoyant capital market. Right. Question number 6. What are the components of net premium? Answer mortality index, D, A and B. Question number 7. Which is the oldest insurance company in India? National Insurance Company Limited. नेशनल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी लिमिटेड को मार्क करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Who constitute the standard lives? Option A, those who suspect or know their change of experiencing a loss is high and seek out insurance to gain. Option B, those who anticipated mortality his correspondence to the standard lives represented by the mortality table. Right answer. Option B, right answer. Question number 9. Critical illness claims are ascertained based on option C, medical and other related records. Question number 10. Find the incorrect statement. All the falses must include endorsement. Right. Question number 11. Which is the first insurance company set up in India? The Oriental Life Insurance Company Limited. Right. Question number 12. Dash means a dispute where the person against whom a complaint has been made denies and disputes the allegation contained in the complaint. Answer, consumer dispute. Right. कंज्यूमर डिस्प्यूट को मार्क करते हैं। Question number 13. Which of the following is not the category of risk considered for life insurance? Accident. Question number 14. Why is inflation one of the biggest challenge in financial planning exercise? Because it makes a difficult to ascertain the exact amount required for future needs. Right. Question number 15. Who can be a trustee as per MWP Act? Option A, wife. Option B, child over 18 years of age. Okay, only and B. Question number 16. Dash is the value at which the life insurer has purchased or acquired its assets. Market value. Question number 17. Policyholder can get his policy cancelled during cooling off period if he does not have sufficient income. No, he is not satisfied with the terms and condition of the policy. Right. Question number 18. Why is family history is important in medical underwriting? Option B, right. Certain diseases can be passed on from parents to children. Question number 19. Dash available to the rural population of India mostly. Option B is right answer, Supreme Center. Question number 20. Health insurance in India is sold by Life Insurance General. All the above. Question number 21. Why was Malhotra Committee set up in the year 1993? To explore the recommended changes for development of the industry. Right. Question number 22. IGMS refer to Integrated Grievance Management System. Right answer. Question number 23. Which principle of insurance advocates for compensating the insured in the same financial position which he has before the occurrence of the loss indemnity? Right answer. इंडेमनिटी को मार्क करते हैं. Question number 24. Nomination assignment will are example of estate planning. Estate planning मार्क करते हैं. Which of the following is true regarding universal life insurance? It is characterized right. It allow the falsehood right. Flexibility in the death right. All the above. Question number 26. What are the various types of operating expenses? Electricity, agents, staff salaries, all the above. Question number 27. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A, the policy documents need to be compulsorily stamped. Option B, the policy documents need to be signed but to be stamped according to Indian Stamp Act. Option C, the policy document need to be signed by competent authority. Option D, the policy documents need to be signed by competent authority and need to be stamped according to Indian Stamp Act. Option D, right answer. ऑप्शन डी को ही मार्क करते हैं. द पॉलिसी डॉक्यूमेंट नीड टू बी साइंड बाय कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी एंड नीड टू बी स्टाम्प्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडियन स्टाम्प एक्ट. यही सही लग रहा है, तो इसको ही हम मार्क करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. मोर्टैलिटी रिस्क इज क्लोजली रिलेटेड टू ऑप्शन ए एज, ऑप्शन बी प्रीमियम, ऑप्शन सी इनकम, ऑप्शन डी मिससेलिंग. Right answer option A, age. Question number 29. The CGHS was introduced for civilian central government employees in which year? 1954. Option C, 1954. Question number 30. Which of the following covers cannot be provided as value-added cover in health insurance policy? Pre-existing diseases. Right. Question number 31. The majority of consumer disputes with three forums fall in which of the following main categories as far as insurance business is concerned? Delay in settlement, non-settlement of claims, false terms, all the above. Question number 32. The appellate officer shall consider the application and communicate final decision within a 15 days of receipt of review application from the aggrieved candidate. 15 days. Question number 33. Which of the following factors are considered while doing financial planning? Current needs, initial, future needs, all the above. Question number 34. As per new IRDA guidelines, single premium policies will have at 125% of death cover of the single premium, right? Question number 35. The price paid by an insured for purchasing the policy is called premium. Question number 36. What are the expenses and charges deducted by the insurer before refunding the premium paid in case of cooling off cancellation? Stamp duty, charges, all the above. Question number 37. The term assignment ordinarily refers to transfer of property in writing. Assignment, right answer. Question number 38. As per IRDA Regulation 2002, a claim under a life policy shall be paid or disputed within 30 days on receipt of the requirements. 30 days. Question number 39. Sum insured indicates dash of the limit of liabilities of the insurer, right? Question number 40. Group insurance is underwritten mainly on the law of averages, right? On the law of averages. Question number 41. Which of the following defines tangibles? It refers It represents the physical environment factors that the customer write. Question number 42. Examination body for corporate agents or web aggregates or insurance marketing firm is option B. Right answer. Insurance Institute of India. Examination body for corporate agents or web aggregates or insurance marketing firm is right answer. Option B. Right. Insurance Institute of India. Question number 43. Which of the following is not a step for the claim process? Option B. Visiting the insured house. Right. Question number 44. Pick up the option which is not included in the claim process. All the above. Question number 45. What are the most important in the verification of documents? Documentary, all the above. Question number 46. Which of the following is not included in the cardiac package of hospitalization? Additional charges in case complication during. Right. Question number 47. The most important code for standardization of diseases are set by WHO. International Classification of Disease Code. Right. Question number 48. What is the claim amount payable under a ULIP? ULIP, fund value of the unit purchased. Right answer. Question number 49. Insurance Information Bureau was promoted in the year 2009. Right answer. Question number 50. An underwriter balance between business and risk. Right. चलो दोस्तों 50 क्वेश्चन हमने मार्क कर दिया. अब सबमिट करते देखते हैं कितने मार्क्स मिलते हैं. 50 आउट ऑफ 50. दोस्तों अगर आप 18 मार्क्स ले लोगे तो भी पास हो जाओगे. दोस्तों IC38 बुक का लिंक हमने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है, आप वहाँ पे जाके परचेस कर सकते हैं. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू दोस्तों. और प्लीज़ हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर लो. थैंक यू.